Dalawa lang ang pinalulusutan o pagpapalusutan ng mga illegal drugs through customs at saka dun sa mga ating coastline. Would you agree with that?
We have ship side also, sir, other than
yeah,
the
I know.
customs.
Would you agree with that? Yung akin na yun na lang ang daan kung bakit nakakapasok ang mga illegal drugs? Kasi dapat alam po nyo ito eh.
Yeah, sir, I believe so, sir. There are incidents, I think the bulk are coming from the ship side, meaning it did not pass through the customs, but definitely a substantial amount also came from cross through our formal port, sir.
Yeah. So, alam po natin kung saan dumadaan yung illegal drugs. Tama. Ship side unloading o kaya sa coastal lines natin at saka yung